Alright everybody, welcome back. This is Tim from Airsoft GI again. What we're basically doing is a video representation of the Airsoft 101 pamphlet, how to check a fuse. Okay, I'm using a Classic Army M15A4 with a full stock, but 90% of Airsoft guns will have a fuse set up like this little bubble right here. Once you get your gun open, you see where the fuse is. You can find this thing as 3 tabs, 2 small ones on the ends and 1 big one in the middle. If you push them in opposite directions, the bubble opens up, revealing the fuse. Okay, this is a fuse troubleshoot. So if your gun is not working, meaning you pull the trigger and you don't hear any noise at all, that's typically indicative of an electric problem. So once you got the fuse bubble out, your fuse should look something like this. These 2 brass tabs connected to this little glass tube. Okay, you probably can't see it, but there's a metal wire inside here. The fuse is there to safeguard the motor. Okay, so if this thing breaks, obviously it's broken connection, you're not going to have any power to your gun. Sometimes though, the fuse can break right at the bottom here where you can't really see it. So this is a pretty easy troubleshoot you can do to see if that is the case. See these 2 things, they're shaped like U's. You connect them together, they snap together like that. Plug your battery into it. What we're basically doing here is bypassing the fuse. So you got the battery power going directly into the gun. You should be able to fire it. Okay, if this is discovered that your fuse is blown, you can do one of 2 things. You can bypass the fuse and leave it that way, or you can buy another fuse from either a hardware store, Home Depot, whatever you choose. Alright, this is just a basic fuse diagnostic. If there's any additional problems with your gun, it's experiencing the same symptoms, then give Airsoft GI a call. We can have our techs direct you on exactly what to do.